Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to play Resurgence in the new Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Warzone. And let's get started. So once you download Warzone, you will see it right here, Call of Duty Warzone Season 1. And once you are on the home page, you can go ahead and select Call of Duty Warzone. So go ahead and just click on it. Now, once you are here, you can see that it is called the Resurgence Area 99. This is basically Rebirth, but it's a different map. So, a Rebirth Island, I guess. But like I said, this is a different map. And yeah, so this is how to play Resurgence. You can go ahead and choose on it. There are all modes, so solos, duos, trios, and quads. And I believe this is also where ranked is going to be. I think it's going to be actually no. Ranked is going to be only for Battle Royale. It's not going to be for Resurgence, so that's something to keep in mind. And yeah, it might change in the future though. But anyways, yeah, if you want to play solos, click here and etc. And yeah, that is basically it. That is how to play Resurgence in the new Black Ops 6 Warzone. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.